Hi everyone! Today we're going to do another sheet out of our packet that goes with our graduation unit. The sheet page we're going to do today is called Read and Do. This is something everyone got a copy of. It's page number 8, if you're looking for the page number. We're going to practice reading and following directions. If you are able to read independently, I'd like you to do this on your own and then check to make sure you got it all right. See how you did reading and following directions. If you need a little help reading, I'd like you to do it with me and pause it after I read the instructions and then practice following them. And if you need some help, you can have some help and have someone read it to you or sit with you while you do it. So let's get ready. We'll switch over to the other camera so you guys can see me while I work. I am going to use markers. You can use markers, colored pencils, or crayons, and we'll get started. Okay, I am ready to get started. I have all my materials out. I have my worksheet and my markers. It's read and do. So we are going to read each sentence and do what each sentence says. Before we read, I'm going to make a dot because I printed in black and white. So this will help us identify our colors for those of us that are practicing that. The first color is brown. The next one is purple. Next we have blue. Number 4 is black. Number 5 is green. And number 6 is red. So we have all the colors we need, and we have them marked as a visual to help us follow the directions. And what did we miss? Up here, we need to put our name. So if you have a pencil or a pen, write your name on there. I'm going to write my name, Katie. Okay, number 1, draw a brown circle around the first cap. So we know the color is brown because we have the word brown, and we're drawing a circle. But we're going to draw that circle around the first cap. Which one is first? Remember, when we read or when we're looking for something, we always start at the top left. So the first cap is the top cap on the furthest left. So the first cap is right here. We're going to draw a brown circle around it. And I didn't tell you guys to pause to see if you could get it right without my help, but I will for the next one. So we drew a brown circle around the first cap. Number 2, draw a purple rectangle around the second gown. So we know purple, we've got our purple dot, our purple marker, and a rectangle is that shape. And we're going to draw that purple rectangle around the second gown. Second means 2. And gown, remember, is what we wear for graduation. So here are our gowns. And we're starting from the left, 1, 2, 3. There's the second gown, and we're going to draw a rectangle around it. We're going to draw our rectangle the tall way. So pause your video and see if you can do this. We're going to draw a rectangle around the second gown. All right, here we go. There's a lovely purple rectangle around the second gown. Good job. So we finished number 1 and number 2. Number 3. Number 3 says, color the second cap blue. So what does second mean? No, it's this. Number 2. The cap is the hat, and our color is blue. And we're going to color it in. So remember, from left to right, 1, 2. There's our second cap, and we're going to color it blue. So we'll color this in blue. Oh, Katie, look at this beautiful artwork. This might have been a little nicer on with crayons or colored pencils, but it's okay if you don't stay in the lines. I don't either. I am trying my best, and that's all I expect from you too. So we colored the second cap blue. We made sure we did all of the things in that sentence. Number 4, color the last gown black. So we're going to color in again. This time it says last. What does last mean? We know first means number 1 because we colored the first, or circled the first cap. Last means the very last one. And when we look for last, remember, we always do left to right when we're reading. So we start at the left, and we're looking for the last gown. So there's a gown. There's another gown. Is that the last one? I don't know. Let's keep going. Oh, there's one more. There's the last gown. And what color are we going to make it? Black. So we're coloring the last gown black with our marker, our crayon, or our pencil. Part of following directions is paying attention to each word and knowing what each word means. What should we do if we don't know or don't understand the directions? That's right, we can ask for help. Say, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Or better yet, can you show me, please? And I just showed you how to color the last gown black. Number 5, color the third cap green. So the third cap, let's see. 1, 2, 3. The third cap, we counted 3. We started at the left again, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to color that cap green. Beautiful. And our last direction, number 6, color the first gown red. Remember, first, we'll start on the left. Here's our first gown, and we're going to make it red. What if we make a mistake on this? Might feel frustrated or want to start over, but you only have one worksheet. So if you make a mistake, that is okay. You can just exit out with a marker and leave it how it is. We've got a square down here that we can practice drawing in. So this is your chance if you want to practice drawing a graduation picture or a picture for a friend. I'm going to draw a graduation cap because that looks kind of cool. It's a diamond. We've got our little tassel hanging off. And the little cap to hold it on our head. There we go. And then here's our little graduate guy peeking over the edge at us, saying, when do we graduate? It's got to be soon. I miss you guys. All right, so you can draw whatever you want in the practice drawing box. That is our lesson for today, read and do. How did you do reading and following instructions? I'm excited to see your work. Talk to you soon.